Welcome to the unboxing of Maono AU 100 Lavalier microphone. It has received some of the best reviews in its category, and here is its unboxing. The package feels heavier than it looks, can be used for presentations and interviews. It is advertised to be compatible with smartphones, cameras and PC. Price is written as 2400 rupees, but I got it at a far more cheaper price. From the display side, you can see the microphone proper, a 6.35mm jack, which is not the smartphone jack by the way, the battery compartment, a battery and a windscreen is also visible. Let's open it up fully. There is a 20-foot long cable. A clip for the secure attachment of the microphone is also visible on the front. That is a battery. This one is a windscreen. The battery is an LR44 button cell. You have to keep that in mind in case you need a replacement. The connector is a 6.35mm audio jack. There is a nice pouch to keep the microphone and cable securely and safely. The 6.35mm jack is actually an adapter that is sitting on top of a 3.5mm jack. The 3.5mm jack makes it compatible with smart devices. This is the omnidirectional microphone. You have to attach the windscreen to get a clearer sound. This is the battery compartment. It has an on-off switch. With smartphones, it has to be kept at off, and with other devices, the switch has to be kept at on. A battery is already inside the compartment, so that means the one we saw earlier is the replacement battery. Here is the package total. There is something inside the pouch. Okay, that was a replacement windscreen. Now let's see what the documentation says. There is a thank you card with some service info. This is the user guide. There is really nothing much to guide you through. Only additional info that is available in this card is how to connect the clip to the microphone. So here it is, the unboxing of Maono AU 100 Lavalier microphone. Let's just go through the contents of the package once again. There is a microphone with two connectors, a 3.5mm jack and a 6.35mm jack, two clips for the attachment of microphone, a spare battery and two windshields. And there is a small user manual. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.